I had seen these on Pinterest so often and I always wanted to try to make them. So yeah, here we are with Santa's chocolate cups. First off, you'll need white chocolate that you melt on a double boiler or in a microwave, whatever you have available. And here comes the bane of my existence, the red food coloring. I think I used at least 4 different types of red to get this color right. So if you have red candy melts or whatever they are called, yeah, just go for those. Maybe I'm just unlucky with the color red. When you have achieved the color you like, pour a spoonful into a small paper cup. I got those espresso-sized ones in bulk from Metro. Now carefully turn them around so that the chocolate can build up a wall. I do not worry about the bottom as that is the easiest part. I slightly beat it so that there aren't any air bubbles and let a bit of the excess drip off as well. Then I let the chocolate set with the cups on the side. While filling the other cups, I occasionally turned those a bit so that the wall isn't too thick on one side. As I wasn't happy with how thin some turned out, I applied a second layer for some of the cups and let that set in the same way. Now just slightly cut the carton and peel the cup off. To get the white fluff, I melted some white chocolate again and let it cool off just a bit so that it isn't too liquidy and won't melt the red cups. With the back of a spoon, carefully dab it all around and let it rest head down. If you let them rest normally, the white chocolate would just run down to the bottom. Or I just could have waited longer so that it isn't all runny anymore. When that's set as well, I get the fondant out. First I make a belt and apply it with a tiny bit of water. Then I cut out the buckles of the belt with white fondant. Again, with the tiniest bit of water, I put that onto the belt as well. And that's how we did it. It isn't much of a recipe, but still quite fun to make. You can of course fill this up with whatever you like. I wanted some Smarties. This was day 22 of our almost finished advent calendar. Subscribe if you don't want to miss our next video. See you for day number 23 tomorrow.